Backyard.
That's what
AAC, we're serving Zavalas barbecue. This is live. It's unbelievable.
Golden, brown, and delicious. That's what we all call you.
So you know what's so cool? Again, I tell you all the time, you're gonna have leftover barbecue. It's totally fine. It's not a big deal. And this beautiful Nomad that you just purchased, you get to also use it as, guess, it's a smoker. I threw the charcoal on one side, and I have some brisket, some sausage that I had. I wrapped it in some foil, threw a little bit of butter, and we're gonna create a Sloppy Juan. It is the dish at Zavalas barbecue that everybody wants. Because you know what? You can't screw it up at all. Pick whatever barbecue you want. Again, offset smoker. Think about that. Look how small, this is probably the smallest offset smoker that has the biggest punch that you could ever ask for. So, gonna take this off. What do I got here? Ooh, look at this. Yeah, I got some fatty brisket. Look at that. And with the signature beef rub, you see that right there? Still peppery. You know what? We got some sausage too. Who does not like sausage? Your minds are gonna be blown how easy it is to make a Sloppy Juan. All you're gonna do is cut up all this barbecue. Nothing's like, you can be like, chef, you know how they do it on TV? You can do it in front of all your friends. Chop, 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 chop. Because you know what? We're gonna make it sloppy. We got some brisket, we got some sausage, and we're gonna have so much fun. Look at that, so much fun. Choppy, choppy, choppy. And guess what happens? Mix it all up together, and you're like, oh, am I done? So we're gonna throw a tortilla on, get it a little warmed up, and we're about to make it. I don't even know you can say make it rain. We're gonna make it, I got it. We're gonna make a hurricane, just so much rain. Look at that. You're like, what are you doing? We're just gonna mix it up. Just like that. You can do it with whatever you have left over, whatever barbecue, meat you have left over, chop it up, mix it up. Then we're gonna get this tortilla right here. And we're literally gonna make a Sloppy Juan's like Sloppy Joe, just in a tortilla. And the good thing about it is, you can make it as big as you want. Look at that. Mmm. Mmm. I hope you had so much fun on your first cook on this Nomad. These are just 2 easy recipes for you to do. There's so much more you can do. Again, you made a fajita taco. It literally took 7 to 10 minutes. This Sloppy Juan, you already have the stuff in your freezer. It's in your freezer. Heat it up, chop it up, throw some sauce. Again, welcome to the Nomad family. Enjoy it. If you have any questions, hit me up. I'm always here for, I may not have all the answers, but I know somebody that do. Love you guys. I'm out.